Alright guys, I'm not going to do this as a short video, I'm going to do this as a regular video. But my question to you is, what should we do to this Big Bud 370 to customize it? Because it needs some customized stuff done to it. It's a nice looking tractor, the way it is, don't get me wrong. Now I have made my own handrail kit and kit that will replace these. See how these are molded together? I've got a kit that I've made myself to make them separate. Here are some outlets back here, but I would love to detail this up some. Obviously lights are here. This paint is goofy. I don't even know, like, this could be a, maybe need to at least strip these fenders and repaint. We'll see. I'm going to try to polish it out and see if it works out. It could. But, you know, lights back on the fenders, work lights. I'm thinking about doing the same thing up here. But the big question I think I want to ask you guys, what wheels and tires should we put on here? Now, the way these were manufactured, you can't put a very tall tire under these or you rub. I mean, you can do some work down here, like Dremel this out, same thing here, and move your axle down. That gets pretty time consuming, and I'm just not that interested in doing that, to be honest with you. Anyway, throw out what tires. Stick with duals, big singles, triples, etc., etc. And then the other question, or another question I want to run by you guys. So obviously this tractor was kind of before the GPS area. But I'm thinking about putting a GPS globe up here because, you know, in the modern day, a lot of these older four-wheel drive, older tractors are being retrofitted. And I thought that might look kind of cool and just be something a little unique for this. And then obviously we'll do a CB antenna and a radio antenna. I'm thinking a toolbox as well. And I was kicking around making a little bit of a ladder up here. So just throwing that out there and looking for some ideas from you guys or some general thoughts on what to do to this Big Bud 370. So, alright, I know this was kind of a super short video for a non-short video, but I like getting your ideas. So, anyway, let me know down in the comments. Please do the like, share, subscribe thing. I'd greatly appreciate it. Have yourselves an awesome day. Happy tractor hunting.